You see how... There he is. That's that fish. That was that one that we seen a bit. He finally hit it. It's a little spot. Yeah. Oh, 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 strapper. Biggin, biggin, biggin. Oh my God. Just keep it straight. Keep it straight. Big one. Let us go. Let us go down. Let us go down. Oh my gosh. Turn the motor off. Get this fish with a net. He's right here. No. No. Oh my gosh. There's another one hitting right there. Do you see that? Get him. There we go. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's about to get blew up. Oh, 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 oh. Real. Oh my gosh. You got a fish, but it's hung. He's still on. Go try to wrap it around that log when we get there. No, wait, wait, wait. He's got a fish on.